Bonjour mes étudiants 6th standard. Welcome you all for this new session. So hope you would have guessed it rightly. This week we are going to have revision. Okay. So since we finished with last lesson 5, that is lesson 5, we did French passage and vocabulary. So even if I repeat it, it would be boring. So I am going to start revision with lesson 4. And what is left out in this lesson? I think we have covered everything except this numbers. So numbers we have from 21 to 100. So I have reduced the portion for you because in very short time you are going to write a second midterm. So I don't want to burden you with a lot of things. So what I wanted to do is 21 to 50. 21 to 50 alone we will be asking in this second midterm. Later we will cover from 51 to 100 in your quarterly. Fine, that's great. Okay, so what is that we are going to see today? Today your online test will be based on fruits. Okay, so I'm not going to ask vegetables. First we will see fruits. Okay, so online test will be based on fruits. And what I'm going to do today is I am going to revise the vocabulary of lesson 4. Lesson 4 alone we are going to revise. So today we are going to revise vocabulary of lesson 4, fruits, vegetables, numbers, and then whatever exercise which is possible we are going to revise that. So in next class we will revise this dialogue of lesson 5, lesson 4 and everything. Okay, so all the 1 mark we are going to cover in this video. Okay, so shall we start? Yeah, take your book, page number 52. What is 52? 52. Yeah, are you guys ready? Okay, your only task is point where I am and just follow what I say. Okay, just a revision, so we'll have fun. It will be easy. Okay, so don't be complicated, just make it blank, sit straight. Okay, be fresh. Fine, shall we start? What I'm going to do is French word I'll repeat 2 times and English word 1 time. You're just going to do the same. Un avion, un avion, aeroplane, un ballon, un ballon, ball, une bicyclette, une bicyclette, bicycle, une chaise, chair, deviner, deviner, guess, des étudiants, some students, une fille, girl, une fleur, flower, un garçon, boy, qui est, who is this or who are these? Qu'est-ce que c'est, what is this or what are these? Une règle, ruler, un vélo, cycle, une voiture, car, professor, teacher or professor. Okay, now I'm going to do a small activity. I'll tell you how you have to do this activity. But if I want to do this activity, I need a very honest behavior from you. That is, I'll tell a English word. For example, I'll tell a word called ball. So you already know for ball in French it is un ballon. Okay, so I'm just going to give option and you're going to find it. Okay, but you have to close your eyes. So yes, you know, I know that you are not in front of me. Keep your eyes closed. Okay, and then I will just give a word. Try to connect what you have already learned. Okay, in case if you don't know, with the choice which I'm giving, try to get the right answer. Okay, so I guess you will do it honestly, and I'm going to try this for the first time. Okay, number one, word number one is from English to French. Okay, number one is flower. Flower. Now I am going to give you three options for flower. Okay, you have to choose the right option. In voiture, in règle, in fleur. So what is the right answer you have to say? So the English meaning is flower. The options which I'm going to give you is in voiture, in règle, in fleur. So out of these three words, you should choose the right one. Hope you would have guessed it correctly. So I'm going to give you the answers now. So English word is flower. The French word is une fleur. Okay. So now the second word. Okay. Girl. Girl. Okay. So if you are able to recall the answer now itself without the options, very well and good. That means you have revised well. If not, take the options now. Un garçon, une fille, une fleur. Un garçon, une fille, une fleur. So the question was a girl, and the right answer is une fille. Okay, so I'm not showing that because if I show this, you will search the answer from here. So that's why I'm not showing it. Even if you keep your books closed, that will be useful for you. So this is a self check. This is not going to get any mark for you, but anyway, a self check is always the best one. So you check yourself, you write and practice, and that will be very confident for you. I think like this you can check yourself. Okay, so I'll do one from French to English. That is very easy, I know. Une règle. So I tell you that the word is not here, that's why I'm telling une règle. So the word is une règle, and now I'm going to give you the option. Eraser, scale, pencil. So eraser, scale, pencil. So règle means what? Une règle. So the right answer is scale or ruler. Scale is otherwise called as ruler. So that's how you have to find it. So the après-nous revision is over. Let's go to fruits. Les fruits et des légumes. So I'll tell you one thing. In this exam, either I will ask fruits or vegetables. I will not ask both of this because that will be little difficult for you, because when you are thinking about fruits, if I ask vegetables, it will be little confusing, because you are writing French spelling, just it's 2 or 3 months old, so I don't want to confuse you with lot of things. So fruits, if I ask now, halfly I might ask vegetables. So like this. Anyway, we'll cover both of that. So we'll start with fruits revision now. Des fruits. Des fruits. Une banane. Une banane. Une pomme. Une pomme. So already the fruits are there, so I'm not going to repeat it in English. Anyway, you have done already the online test in this. So again you are going to write a test on fruits. Okay, so that will be a very good revision, because it will be 10 marks. Fruits or vegetable, it will be 10 marks. Third one, an orange. an orange. And one important thing I forgot to tell you, during the exam you will write this spelling very easily, but une banane, so you must remember this. Okay, so that please do not forget. Without une or I will not give you full mark. Okay, when I ask banana, that means you have to say une banane. Okay, I repeat: une banane, une pomme, an orange, une mangue, une mangue. So let's go to the second line: une papaye, une papaye, un raisin, un raisin, une céri, une céri, un ananas, un ananas, un litchi, un litchi, une pastèque, une pastèque, une fraise, une fraise, une pêche, une pêche, une prune, une prune, une date, une date. So now I will tell you how to remember which fruit will have une and which fruit will not have une. So when I read, okay friends, what I do is I just remember the fruits. See, most of these fruits are feminine, so that is why it has U and E. Okay, so in that case what I do is I will not remember all the feminine fruits. Okay, so imagine I give you a trick. Okay, so orange is masculine, so masculine fruits alone I will learn first: an orange, un raisin, and from this line an ananas, un litchi. That's it. So only 4 fruits are there: an litchi, an ananas, an raisin, and orange. So only these 4 fruits are masculine fruits. Okay, so other than that, if I see any other fruit, undoubtedly, or keeping my eyes closed, I will write une, une banane, une pomme, une mangue. So papaya, I don't know either it is un or une. But in my list there are only 4 fruits which are masculine, so automatically I will write une. So hope this trick will also be useful for you, and it will help you to remember which is masculine and which is feminine in a easy way. So that is the trick. So I just read the masculine fruits first. So orange, raisin, lychee, ananas. So these 4 fruits alone, it is un. Other than that, I am not going to remember either it is un or une. So automatically I will write, if any other fruits other than this 4 fruit comes, I'll write une. Okay, so that is the way. I think this will be helpful for you, so you can take it as you wish. So I'll read it once again faster. In banane, in pomme, an orange, in mangue, in papaye, un raisin, in céri, un ananas, un litchi, in pastèque, in fraise, in pêche, in prune, in date. So the next page is the legume. So doubt might occur when you read this word, the legume. Why? Because you guys are very used to read the answers. So I will ask, write any 10 or write the following vegetables in French. So you must know what is for vegetable in French. Without knowing that, if you try attempting these things, it might go wrong. Okay, so topic is very important. Des légumes. Please repeat. Des légumes. Une pomme de terre, potato. Un concombre. Une aubergine. Un piment. Une tomate. Un chou. Un petit pois. in carrot and chou-fleur and oignon and haricot vert and poivron and in salade verte and champignon. Okay, now here see, if you see in this page has lot of masculine rather than feminine. This page has lot of masculine. So this is the second trick which we can follow. For fruits we must remember the masculine fruits. Okay, that is orange, lychee, anan, and one more orange orange, lychee, anan, and one more, what is that? Grapes, raisin. So for fruits we remember the masculine, and for this one let's see how many masculine and how many feminine fruits are there, I mean vegetables are there. 1 2 3 4 5. See, here feminine is lesser than masculine. So here when it comes to vegetable, remember the feminine vegetable, so that it will be easy for you. Other than this feminine vegetable, whatever comes, you can make it as masculine, that is un. Okay, so I'll read the feminine words first. In pomme de terre, in aubergine, in tomate, in carrot, in salade verte. That's it. So 2 to 1. So here is 2, that is in pomme de terre, in aubergine, number 1, number 2. So first line 2, second line it is in tomate alone, third line carrot, so 4 is over, fifth one is in salade verte. So now let's try without saying this, just for fun. Okay, first line what we say, potato and brinjal, that is in pomme de terre and in aubergine, and second line we saw tomate. Okay, and third line we saw in carrot. So already 4 is over, only 1 is left out. Who can find it? Yeah, the last line in salade verte. Okay, rocking. So we rocked it, or we can say we nailed it. Superb. So like this, when you are in a French, when you are having the French book, try to have a lot of fun with that. Okay, so learning French is one thing, so having fun with the language is very important. So when you have a lot of fun with your friend, would you like to be with your friend or not? Yes, the same way you have to see French, because when you see the book as your friend, you will be having fun with the friend. Okay, so that is how I have fun. So I want my students also to do the same. So I think definitely you guys will do. So now only I am going to learn 5 feminine vegetables. I learnt it, and now whatever vegetable other than this I am going to write, I will make it as masculine. So masculine, what it is? Un concombre, un piment, un chou, un petit pois, un chou-fleur, un oignon, un haricot vert, un poivron, un champignon. So normally there are 2 challenges in language. So if it is English, no, remembering the word and spelling is a challenge. So word is one challenge, remembering the word is one challenge, and remembering its spelling is second challenge. But it is French, when it is French, no, remembering either it is masculine or feminine, it is a very big challenge. And secondly, the word you must recall. So seeing the vegetables, definitely you will recall the word. I definitely believe in it. Only thing most of the French students which they suffer is, they always ask me, sir, how to remember either it is masculine or feminine. So that is what I said now. So our trick is, when it is fruits, remember the masculine, and whenever it is vegetables, remember the feminine. Okay, so this is the way of reading it in a thorough manner. So fruits, 4 fruits, do you remember? What are they? An anan. You might be going in any order, no problem. an anan, a lychee, an orange, and a raisin. So 4 fruits over. And vegetables, 5 vegetables which are in feminine: une pomme de terre, une aubergine, une tomate, une carotte, une salade verte. So other than that, everything is masculine. Okay. And un concombre, un piment, un chou, un petit pois, un chou-fleur, un oignon, un haricot vert, un poivron, and champignon. So the last thing is numbers 20 to 50, that we will do in a rapid way. So numbers I am not going to revise now. Okay, I will read it once, later we will see why, because I think this is more for today. We saw nearly 30 marks today, I think. So numbers 10 mark. So 21 to 50 we will see. Other than that we will see later. Okay. 21. So 22, 23. Please repeat. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. One thing I wanted to say is, when you're writing numbers, when it is 21, you must write like this: 20, okay. 22, 20 hyphen deux. So without this hyphen, I will not give the mark. I'll tell you how I'll ask you in the midterm. I will ask 21, 25, 30, 34. Like this, I will ask in a mingled way. So any 10 numbers from 21 to 50, I will ask. So your task is, whenever it is ones, don't forget to write this ET, and whenever it is inside 22 to 29, don't forget to write that hyphen in between. Okay. So read, if you know the spelling of 20, you will be able to write from 20 to 29. And 30, it will help you to write from 31 to 39. So 20, 30, 40, 50. This 4 spelling alone you must write and see. So this is my request. You do it as you planned it. 30, 31, 32. Please repeat. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, I think this is enough. Numbers, you guys are superb. I know, I have seen it already. So numbers 21 to 100, if you want, you can write and see. So this is my request. Try to learn things smart. So when you think smart, you will be able to get the full mark. So that is the thing. So reduce your tension and increase your ability. Okay. So practice is the answer. So practice makes man perfect. Practice whatever you read, write and see. So that ensures your mark is obtained. Okay. So let's discuss on other exercises in the upcoming classes. And as I said, today's online test will be based on fruits or vegetables. Fine. So any these two, I will ask any from fruits or vegetables. Fine. Or it might be only from vegetables or only from fruits. So thank you all. Have a nice day. Try to complete your classwork. So a lot of the 6th standard are not completing the classwork. So try to complete your classwork. That help you to do well in your exam. Merci. Bonne journée.